Assalamualaikum friends, I hope you're quite well, and here is 1000 CDR logo. All files are fully editable. You can change everything in CorelDRAW, but these are protected. Password in this app, go to Google Play Store, buy now for lifetime. Here is my Facebook page, and last is Telegram channel. Subscribe this for latest notification of any video. Okay, you see here 1000 atom and open in CorelDRAW. Wow. Click here var, ungroup R, press Ctrl U. Okay, so you can edit it. Next is this one. That's mean these are editable. Business icon. Wow, that means you can change everything in CorelDRAW. Last is logo, real estate, this one, and you can change color. Ladybug, company name, simply you can edit everything, and password in this app. Go to Google Play Store, buy now for lifetime. Here is my Telegram channel. Subscribe this for latest notification. Take care, Allah Hafiz.